Hey, it's Scott here from BEEST USA. If you're tired of freezing in your garage during the winter or sweating through the summer in here, this kit is for you. The BEEST FULLSTOP Garage Insul8 Kit is designed to be super simple to install, and once it's on, you're gonna feel the difference. Your garage is gonna stay noticeably cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter, and you'll cut down on those energy bills year-round by sealing off one of the biggest leaks in your home, your garage door. Now let's get into it. Step one, and do not skip this, friends, is prepping your garage door. This is probably the most important step because your tape needs a clean surface to stick to. Start by brushing or wiping off anything loose, dust, cobwebs, leaves, dirt, anything that's sitting on the surface. Next, take some isopropyl alcohol and a clean rag. You're gonna wipe down all the metal frame areas. That's where we'll be placing the tape. Focus on the top, bottom, left, and right edges of each panel section. Now it's time to apply the tape. This is our BEEST-LOCK pull force adhesive. It's incredibly strong once it bonds, but remember, it only sticks properly to clean, dry surfaces. Start at the top panel. You're gonna run the tape horizontally along the top and bottom edges of the panel section. Then go vertical along the left and right sides. Now grab the Grip Preach squeegee that came with your kit and use it to press the tape firmly onto the door. You want a nice tight seal. And if you have any brackets or braces in the way, no problem. You can tape right over them or go around and cut the foam later during the panel install. Next is peeling the backing off the tape to expose the sticky side. Take your time here. This part takes a bit of patience. Use your utility knife to carefully lift a corner of the yellow film. Once you get it started, slowly peel it back along the full strip. Try not to rip it or rush. And one important thing here, don't touch the sticky surface. This adhesive grabs fast, and once it sticks to your fingers or gets dust on it, it's not going to perform near as well. Here's where it all comes together. Let's install the FullStop panel. I like to place the full panel on the door first, then trim it. That gives you the cleanest fit and the easiest alignment. Start by centering the panel right over the frame where you just placed the tape. Make sure the aluminum side is facing the door. That's what reflects heat and cold back out. The vinyl side, the white side, should be facing you into the garage. Stick the panel in place, center it horizontally, and press it flat, working from the middle outward to smooth out any bubbles. Last, trim along the bottom seam so your door can move freely. If you prefer, you can also measure and cut your panel ahead of time before applying it. Totally up to you. Repeat that same process from top to bottom, panel by panel. For any rollers, just cut a small notch in the panel so it fits around them. If you have locks or handles, slide the panel behind, then trim carefully. Just be sure not to stick the panel to the tape until it's positioned exactly where you want it. And as you go, keep each panel tight against the last one. The goal is to keep the panel snug together and avoid any gaps where air might leak in. Now we're almost done. It's time for the final press and a quick cleanup. Use your hands or your squeegee to go over the edges of each panel, pressing everything tight against the tape. Pay extra attention to the corners and any edges that might be lifting a little. A little pressure can go a long way here. And that's it, friends. You're done. Your garage is now better insulated, better sealed, and just plain more comfortable. Warmer in the winter, cooler in the summer, and you're going to love the impact on your energy bills. No contractors, no hassles, just a clean, pro-level install done by you.